In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control who can edit your Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set sharing, how to add people or groups, and which permission level to pick so you stay in control of your schedule. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and signing in. On the left sidebar, look for My Calendars. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the calendar you want to manage. Hover your mouse over that calendar's name to reveal the Options button, then click the three dots to open the menu. This is the quickest way to get to the place where all the sharing controls live. From that menu, choose Settings and Sharing. You'll be taken to the calendar's settings page, which is separate from your main calendar view. Scroll until you find the section labeled Shared With. This area is dedicated to managing who has access to this specific calendar and what they can do with it. So it's the central hub for controlling edit rights. Click Add People and Groups. In the box that appears, type the email address of the person you want to add or select a group if you're sharing with a team. After adding them, use the permissions drop-down to choose the right level of access. Here's what each option does. See only free busy shows that you're unavailable during certain times but hides all event details. See all event details allows people to view titles, locations, and descriptions, but they can't make changes. Make changes to events lets them create, edit, and delete events on this calendar, which is helpful for coordinators or assistants. Make changes and manage sharing grants full control, including the ability to share the calendar with others. So reserve this for someone you fully trust. Pick the least permissive level that still lets others do their work. If you're sharing with a team, adding a group can save time and keep access consistent as people join or leave. Keep in mind that work or school accounts might have admin policies that limit sharing options, so some choices may be unavailable depending on your organization. When everything looks good, click Send. The person or group will get an email with access, and your calendar will appear in their list. You can return to the same Shared With section anytime to change permissions or remove access, and those updates take effect immediately. That's it. With these controls, you can confidently decide who can view, edit, or manage your Google Calendar while keeping your schedule secure and organized.